So this is a stomach, and I would like it labeled and colorized, and preferably if you go over the labels, it will highlight it, but I'm not that picky. And one thing right here, this is the attribute, and it's not completely right, I just noticed. So the attribute has to be changed to this, and I will copy and paste that into the LibreText text box as well. So this attribute is in the LibreText thing. So this is what we are supposed to have, not just the website. So you're going to be coloring and labeling the different parts of the stomach. So the fundus, oops, wrong pen. The fundus of the stomach is this nice rounded top right here. So that would be the fundus. The esophagus, and you don't have to use these colors, is this right here. And the greater curvature, unfortunately, is way, way, way down here. So that's the greater curvature. And the lesser curvature, looks more like an L, doesn't it, is right there. The pylorus is this region right in here. So this is the pylorus in here. This is actually the body. The duodenum is going to be right here. And then this right here is the pyloric sphincter. So actually, I'm going to make the sphincter better. So the sphincter is that, and so it basically is a doorway that food has to pass through. Lastly, the rugae. The rugae are these raised ridges right there. So those are the rugae. So pretty much this needs to be labeled on this picture and also highlighted or colorized. So thank you.